Hi guys, today I show you how to make the fresh pasta with the wholemeal kamut flour. For the pasta we need just two simple ingredients: flour and water. Let's start to make the dough. The proportion between flour and water is very easy. 3 parts of flour and 1 part of water. A couple of tablespoons of olive oil. As you can see, the dough starts to become hard. We need to massage for at least 10 minutes. At this point the dough is enough elastic, so it's ready to rest. We cover it with a cling film and we put in the fridge for at least half an hour. The dough is ready. As you can see, it's enough elastic. Now we start to roll it. Now we cut in small pieces, approximately 1 inch. First of all, I'm gonna make cavatelli. Just press a bit on the dough and just roll it. Yep, like this. You can do it with 2 hands as well. Okay, this is a cavatelli pasta. Now I make the trofie pasta. Just roll it in my hands. I use the knife 45 degrees and I roll it. Now I'm making foglie d'olivo, olive leaves. You roll it like trofie and you use the butter knife. You just press, you keep with the other hands and you roll it like this. Okay, now we make the orecchiette pasta. And okay, orecchiette, the difference between orecchiette and cavatelli then is almost the same. Use the knife, you help with the knife, you keep it like this, and after you flip upside down, like this. I show you again. Here we go, the fresh pasta is done. So, enjoy your pasta, buon appetito and stay home.